Hello, we see this back making machine is double server one with conveyor belt. The ceiling length is 1.3 meter. Okay, you can see the servo motor one is the servo driver is here. Another one is another side. This computer for setting data. This electronic control part, overall temperature controller. This for switches for the heating knife and for unwinder. The main motor. There's another one. It's another servo driver. It's here with delta inverter. For take relay, Schneider relay. This one also Schneider. Okay, the unwinder, the motor with AC motor with inverter controller. Here's the Panasonic photo cell. It can do two stream with printed bag. Okay, you can see the Panasonic with two. Another one. This hole puncher is optional. Unwinder 4 rower. Okay, this one is ready for ship.